As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm looking at these two propane grills, the ChuMaste and the Char-Broil Classic. Want to help me compare them?
Sure thing. I see the ChuMaste as a 3-burner grill, pushing out 30,000 BTUs, while the Char-Broil has 2 burners at 20,000 BTUs. So the ChuMaste seems more powerful, right?
Yeah, definitely seems like it. And the ChuMaste cooking area is larger, 464.8 square inches compared to Char-Broil's 280. I guess that means more burgers at once.
True, but the Char-Broil has a side burner, which the ChuMaste doesn't seem to. That's handy for sauces or keeping things warm.
Good point. I do like a good side burner. What about size? The Char-Broil is 45.6 inches wide, while the ChuMaste is only 27.56.
So Char-Broil is wider, but the ChuMaste is lighter, only weighing 51.9 pounds. The Char-Broil's a bit lighter at 37.5, making it easier to move around maybe.
Okay, good to know. I'm also seeing the ChuMaste has foldable side tables, which is cool for saving space.
Both have stainless steel burners, which is a plus for durability, and both have porcelain-coated wire grates, so cleaning should be similar.
The Char-Broil is cheaper at $139, whereas the ChuMaste is $168.99. Is the extra burner and cooking space worth the extra cost?
Well, the Char-Broil is Amazon's choice and has way more reviews. People seem to like it, but some reviews mention issues with heat levels and parts numbers.
I see that the ChuMaste customers say it's functional and a good value, but some had issues with build quality.
It's a tough call. The Char-Broil is simpler, cheaper, and has the side burner. The ChuMaste has more cooking space and power and has the foldable racks.
I really can't decide.
Maybe think about what you grill most often and how much space you really need. And of course, if you're willing to spend a bit more.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.